Hello guys, we are now here at Little Island. So if this is your first time here in New York City, don't forget to visit this location. And this is Little Island. Next to it is the Pier 57, where you can eat and you can visit the rooftop, and it's very nice. Today, we're exploring an amazing place in New York City called Little Island. Is it worth a visit? Let's find out. Little Island is located right on the Hudson River at Pier 55, making it a super convenient stop during your NYC adventures. The park is open every day at 6 a.m. and right now it is set to close at 9 p.m. But keep in mind that closing time can vary depending on the weather and season. If you want to truly enjoy the whole vibe without the crowds, I'd recommend visiting in the morning when it's peaceful and the views are just stunning. The best part? Admission to Little Island is absolutely free. Awesome, right? You can visit the park without paying a dime. This makes it accessible to everyone, whether you're a local or a tourist. Just remember that during busy times, they might have a ticketing system to manage crowds, but generally, you can enjoy this beautiful space without any cost.
You have to go the other way. It's taking you in.
Little Island looks like a floating garden on poles. The park is supported by 132 tulip-shaped pots, which are concrete structures. Each tulip has a different shape and weight capacity to support the soil, grass, overlooks, and trees in the park. Covering 2.4 acres, Little Island includes walking paths, areas to gather, and even a stage for performances. Now, let's take a quick walk down memory lane. Little Island is built on the remnants of what was once Pier 54, a very historic spot. Don't you know that this was where the Titanic disaster survivors landed in 1912? And it also marked the final departure point for the RMS Lusitania in 1915. Little Island project was funded by billionaire Barry Diller of the Diller von Furstenberg Family Foundation, which donated $260 million for its construction and maintenance. After a few years of hard work and planning, Little Island finally opened its doors to the public in May 2021. What can you do at this fabulous floating park? Well, there's a playground for the kids and plenty of sitting areas for you to relax. Plus, there are food carts scattered throughout where you can grab a bite to eat. and large lawns perfect for hanging out, picnicking, or just enjoying time with friends. Oh, and here's a fun little tidbit. Little Island is the only park in New York City where you can buy cocktails. But just remember though, you can't bring your own alcohol from outside. If you're still feeling hungry afterwards, hop over to nearby Pier 57 for even more food and drink options. And let's not forget about the amphitheater. During the day, it is a peaceful place to soak up some sun and take in the river views. While at night in the summer, you can enjoy shows for only $25 or less. Just keep in mind that seating is on a first come, first served basis. There is also a secret garden called the Glade, which is absolutely beautiful. Plus, free performances during the summer months. You definitely don't want to miss that. Now, the overlooks are another highlight, but my favorite has to be the Southwest Overlook. It is the highest point of Little Island, standing 62 feet above the Hudson, and offers breathtaking views of the city's skyline, One World Trade, and even the Statue of Liberty. And if you want to learn more during your visit, start your tour at the South Bridge, where you can access a free audio history tour on their website. So, the big question, is Little Island worth a visit? Absolutely. If you like this video and want to explore more amazing places with me, please consider subscribing to my channel. Thanks for watching.